Welcome students. Today our topic is converse of Pythagoras theorem. In previous video I defined Pythagoras theorem and again how to prove the converse of Pythagoras theorem. First of all, we know that what is the theorem? That is, the theorem is in a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. First of all, we have take that is the one rectangle. Suppose this is a triangle. This one is a B and C. The square of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is right angle. That is, this angle is 90 degree. It means what is given? Our given is, now here we can write first given in triangle ABC. That is, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. First of all, square of one side, that is AC ka square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And now what is our proof? That is to prove angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now take this, we have to prove first of all, construct another triangle. Now write the construction. Construct a triangle this, that is here this type of. Now construct this type of triangle. This one is this, that is P, Q and R. Now QR is also equal to BC and PQ is equal to this one, and this is 90 degree. Now construct a triangle PQR. Angle Q is equal to 90 degree and QR is equal to BC. QR is equal to BC and PQ is equal to AB. Now write the solution of this. First of all, in this right triangle, in right triangle PQR, by construction, by Pythagoras theorem, what is this? That is PQ ka square is equal to PR, that is now PR. Here, look here, that is PR ka square is equal to PQ ka square plus QR ka square. Now this is equation 1. But what is construction mein? That is given construction, QR is equal to BC and PQ is equal to AB. This is equation 2 by construction. Now from equation 1 and 2 we have, now put QR is equal to BC and PQ is equal to AB in this equation 1. That is PR square is equal to PQ is equal to AB, that is AB square of plus BC square Here this is equation number 3. But you look here, what is the given now? But AC square is equal to, that is AB square and plus BC square. Now this is equation number 4. Now comparing both the equation 3 and 4. Here look here, that is AB square plus BC square, that is AB square plus BC square. Both are same, therefore PR square is equal to AC square. Now that is here from equation 3 and 4, from equation 3 and 4, that is PR ka square is equal to AC square, and this implies that PR is equal to AC. This is equation number 5. Now here our question, then angle opposite to the first side is right angle. Now this triangle, both are the triangle. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, what is this? That is AB is equal to PQ by construction. Here look here, that is AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR. BC is equal to QR. Both are by construction. Clear? And again one, that is here AC is equal to PR. That is AC is equal to PR from equation 5. Now from this, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, AC is equal to PR. Therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by which criteria? That is side, 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 side. Therefore now angle P, that is angle B, is equal to angle Q. That is therefore angle B is equal to angle Q by CP CT. And but since angle Q is equal to 90 degree, that is by construction, therefore angle B is also equal to 90 degree. This is our proved. Now we have to prove this theorem. This is the angle opposite to the first side is right angle. Now this is angle B is equal to 90 degree. Here this is also our proof, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Thank you.